Hi, this is Danielle Farrell and welcome to my newest listing. We're in prime Westwood at the Wilshire Lencrest, and this is a condo, but as you're going to see, it feels a lot more like a home. Talk about space, check out how big this couch is. And there's a wet bar, a fireplace, perfect for entertaining, or a cozy movie night with the family. Let's go check out the kitchen. Now this is what I call a sleek chef's kitchen. Custom cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and check out this cool backsplash. Thank you for taking the time to tour my beautiful new listing. And now I'm cutting you guys off because it's time for me to make some lunch.